Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to top up the washer fluid on your Honda Civic, so check it out. Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday, and if you're new to this channel, make sure you click that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Today I'm going to show you how to top up the washer fluid on your Honda Civic. This is a 2016 Honda Civic EX. The principle should be the same or very similar on a 2017, 2018, 2019, and so on, or other models, a Accord, a Fit, a Pilot, etc. So just follow along and you should be able to figure it out. I've got a washer fluid low light on my dash, so what we're going to do is make sure the car is turned off and then pop the hood. And open it up, and if you're not sure how to do this, there's a link to a video at the end or in the cards up above. Make sure your hood is safely attached to the hood rod, then we can begin looking around for the washer fluid fill cap. And if you're wondering how to change the air filter, I'll have a link at the end as well as in the cards up above. It's really easy to do and it'll save you some money over taking it to the dealership. But today we're looking for the washer fluid fill cap, which is located over here on the left hand side, right next to the fender. It's a blue cap with a logo of a windshield on it. We're going to go ahead and pop that open. You can just pull on the tab and it pops open. I like to tuck the cap in under the side here so it doesn't flop shut while I'm pouring the washer fluid. Today we're going to be using this minus 35 degree winter wash. If it's the summertime, you can go ahead and use a bug wash, but it's below freezing here today, so we're going to use this stuff. So go ahead and start topping up your washer fluid. When the light comes on the dashboard, I do find that the car will take a full gallon in the washer fluid reservoir. I've sped up the video here so we can finish up the process. Go ahead and put the cap back on the washer fluid reservoir, and then you can shut the hood. Make sure to watch your fingers. You can go ahead and start up the vehicle, and let's make sure that low washer fluid indicator light has disappeared. And everything's loaded up and the indication is gone. So I hope this video on how to top up your washer fluid in your Honda helped you out. If it did, remember to give it a thumbs up. Also remember to subscribe to Northern Viking Everyday because I've got tons of videos coming up that I'd love to share with you. Thank you so much for watching and take care.